Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Jaspreet Kaur. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is the meaning and nature of human resource management. Right? So let's get started. That what is human resource management? When we talk about human resource management, HRM, so this comprises of three terms, three words, that is human, resource and management, right? Human is that the human being. Resource is that how that human is being used as a resource, okay? That what we call that is human capital, okay? That as we know that as fund is the bloodline for any of the organization, in the same way human resource, that means people of the organization, they are also considered as the asset for the organization, because if they are not going to work well in the proper manner, in a coordinated way, then none of the organization can think of the competitive advantage, gaining competitive advantage. So that is why human resource management, it is a continuous function. Management, what is management? Management is that, in simple words, we can say that the art of getting things done from the others, or in an organization, that how the managers are taking work from the formally organized group. There are various sort of groups in the organization who used to come together in the coordination so that they can work for the achievement or accomplishment of the organizational goals. So that is why it is a continuous function, right? Now there is a term which is good management means effective results with the people, right? So what is it? Good management means effective results with the people. As you know that we are talking about the human resource management, that how the managers are taking care of the people, their team members, how they are working, to what level they are, thinking about their job profile. Are they happy with their job profile? Are they happy with their job description? Are you thinking of their, that to what level they are being valued? Right? So that is why good management means effective results with the people, because happy people are always the productive people. Okay, if you are making your people happy, if let's say let's take an example of me only, that if I am in teaching job in any XYZ organization, if I am happy with that organization, that means I am getting the proper salary is the other part, or it can be taken into consideration, because it is also a very important aspect of the any job, right? Next is that to what level I am satisfied with my job, right? With my job or with my job profile, then only I'll be able to give my 100% to that organization. The third thing is that to what level, what sort of opportunities I am getting in that organization in order to develop myself. Then also it is coming under the good management, right? That means to what level the management is taking care of your opportunities, of your training part, of your skill development aspect. Then only the people are going to be the effective and efficient one, right? That is why it is the vital part of the human resource management, that good management means effective results with the people. So when we talk about in crux, so it is coming out that recruitment of the right people, that when you are planning to have people in the organization, so it is that to what level you are recruiting the right people for the right job. So the things are that to what level recruitment of right people is being done, that means right job fit. Okay, that when the organization is planning to have people in the organization, and they are doing the manpower planning, this is also one of the other portion or chapter we will be covering in next lecture, right? Next is organization of training programs, wide range of activities. Wide range of activities is that there is one more aspect which is being which is very much challenging for any organization, is that to hire the right person. But it is very important to retain that person in the organization for the longer period of time. This is very challenging portion. All right. So motivation of employees through incentive plans. Okay, these are the objectives. We are talking about the objectives of human resource management now. That is motivation of employees through incentive So how you are, considering the employee motivation. To what level your employee is getting motivated. Is he motivated or not? Next is maintenance of good human relation. This is also one of the major objective of human resource management because it is considered as a service department. Okay. So the services are being provided. Okay. So services, that is maintenance of good human relations. If you are not taking care of the people relations also, that if they are having some of the conflicts or some grievances and you are not able to, the management is not able to resolve those conflicts or grievances, then it can be result into a very big dispute. So that is also one of the responsibility or one of the objective of human resource management, to maintenance of the good human relations. That is to what people are working in a harmonious manner. That is one of the objective. Now help in attaining the organizational goals. It is also related to this good human relations. When people are going to work in coordination among each other, then they will be able to achieve the organizational goals. All right. Then utilize human resource effectively. How the human resource is being effectively used? When you are hiring the right person for the right job, you are placing that person at the right place, you are providing them the good opportunities and skills so that he can develop his skills and abilities, then only, so that you are ensuring the employee development and employee satisfaction, right? So how that employee development and employee satisfaction is coming? When incentives is the other part, when training programs are being organized. Okay, and to what level the work is being done with fun aspect. Okay, that the person is enjoying. When you are enjoying your job, then only you can give your 100%, right? There are two things. One is that there is some sort of compulsion that you are with that organization. The other is the person is not concerned with the salary aspect. The person is concerned with the opportunities the organization is providing him. The development aspect, the organization is concerned with the salary portion, and as well as the organization is concerned with the development of the skills and abilities of the individual, so that he may be able to help the organization in order to gain competitive advantage or to achieve the organizational goals, right? So that is why human resource management is the strategic approach to the effective and efficient management of the people in the organization, so that they can help the organization in order to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, now come down to the nature. So it is, as we know, that it is the integral part of the management. Okay, so that is why it is concerned with the, first of all, it is concerned with the human resource element, human element, because we are talking about human resource management. So the human part is coming. So it is concerned with the human element, because people are coming from different backgrounds, different organizational experience level, different literacy level. Okay, so this is the very important aspect the organization has to take care of. According to the skills and abilities, the management is going to place them in order to work them in a proper manner, in a coordinated manner. Next, that is why it is the integral part of the management at all levels. If we are talking about top level, if we are talking about middle level, if we are talking about the lower level. Okay, so that is why it is related to all of the management levels. Now next is, it is dynamic in nature. It is dynamic in nature because it is not a small aspect. Okay, people do have different perceptions. Two people on one aspect, they can have different perceptions, right? So it is also very difficult to predict the human behavior. That is why it is dynamic nature. So it is also one of the responsibility of the management, or the manager, I should say, that the manager has to understand the behavior of the individual also, and he has to take care of the human relation aspect. Where is it? Human relations aspect, so that people can work in the coordinated manner. All right. So there is one more thing which I have to tell you, that is, it is concerned with, human resource management is concerned with planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Okay, now there is one more element which is been left, that is staffing. Okay, planning, staffing, organizing, directing and controlling. Planning is that how many people we require in the organization, that is human resource planning, which is also known as manpower planning, that is human resource planning. To what level or how many people we require in which department, right? In finance department, in marketing department, in research department. Okay, how many people we require. So the human resource planning is being done. Then the this is related to the staffing portion. How you are doing the staffing aspect, how you are acquiring the people, right people in the organization. Then organizing things being organized, that the departments are going to be organized. If the things are not going to be organized, then things will be in the messed manner. Okay, that if we are talking about the marketing person, if we want to have a marketing person, so he needs to be what sort of qualification, what sort of skills he has to possess. Then only that person is going to be recruited for this particular organization. Okay, if we talk about our drawers, so if our drawers are not going to be organized, then things will be in the messed manner. So in the same way, in the organization also, if things are not going to be organized, if people are not going to be recruited at the right place, then also the organizing things are going to be disorganized. If you are thinking that things are in an organized manner, they are going to be disorganized. Now directing is that the things are going to be directed, that is instructions are going to be given, that how you have to perform your job. Some things are going to be directed, some things are you yourself are going to be directed to you also. Okay, some your manager is going to tell you, your team leader is going to let you know that how you have to perform your job very well. Controlling aspect is very important, because controlling is, it is related to that when you are joining any of the organizing, when you are joining any of the organization, controlling aspect is also very important, because it is related to the monitoring of your performance, that to what level you are meeting the objectives of the organization, or you are meeting the requirements of the job profile. So your performance appraisal is going to be done. Right, so this is the controlling part. So for today's lecture it is all about the meaning and the nature of the human resource management. I hope you like my video. If you like this video, do share and subscribe my channel for further videos. And in the next video, we are going to cover up the functions of the human resource management. Right, so thank you so much.